And one nonprofit is turning to the Bay Area for a unique and challenging mission to get medical professionals on the ground in Louisiana. ABC Action News reporter McKenna King has their story.
Even with the power out across the city and at the Louis Armstrong Airport in New Orleans, the help from nonprofits pushed on.
No controllers getting us into the area and no controllers receiving us into the airport. So it's kind of every man for self.
Kevin Barton is a volunteer pilot for Soul Relief, a nonprofit based out of St. Pete. He volunteered his personal aircraft to help fly in medical professionals to help out on the ground in Louisiana.
We've got 10 medical professionals from across the country. We've got doctors, physician's assistants, nurse practitioners.
Project Hope is another nonprofit focused on providing equitable health care for people around the world. They worked closely with Soul Relief to get volunteers on the ground just days after Ida made landfall.
You can definitely see a ton of debris on the ground, tarps everywhere on all the roofs, roofs blown off.
The power is out everywhere. So of course, as you can imagine, it's very warm. And so you see a lot of people doing the best that they can to be able to cope. So a lot of people sitting outside.
Project Hope and their team of volunteers are now broken up into teams, helping out at a first aid center in New Orleans and helping triage outside the city.
We're here to support the frontline workers of New Orleans who've not only been responding to COVID all year long, but just really never stopped and have been responding to Hurricane Ida and the needs of their residents.
Each volunteer giving up hours, days, and maybe even weeks worth of time to help make home a little more comfortable for victims of the hurricane.
After hearing the stories and what these people do for others, I feel like any way that I can contribute is just a blessing to other people, and it's a blessing, just to be able to do it.
If you'd like to donate to Soul Relief or Project Hope, we've provided links for you on abcactionnews.com. McKenna King, ABC Action News.